Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. I am here with the important question answer you asked. I welcome you on Let's Learn question and answer. So our main question for today is, how would you perform maintenance on the equipment at the restaurant, air condition, stove, freezer, chiller, etc.? Correct answer is, to perform maintenance on restaurant equipment such as the air conditioner, stove, freezer and chiller, follow the steps for each. Number 1. Air conditioner. Regularly clean or replace air filters, check and clean evaporator and condenser coils, inspect and clean ductwork, and ensure proper refrigerant levels. Number 2. Stove. Clean burner elements or gas jets, inspect and clean vent hood and filters, check and calibrate thermostat controls and ensure gas lines are free from leaks. Number 3. Freezer. Defrost freezer, regularly clean door seals, check and clean container oil coils, inspect and replace worn gaskets and monitor temperature settings. Number 4. Chiller. Regularly clean evaporator and condenser coils, check refrigerant levels, inspect and replace worn seals and monitor temperature and pressure readings. Implementing these maintenance tasks on a regular schedule will help ensure the efficient operation and longevity of restaurant equipment, reducing the risk of breakdowns and costly repairs. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Learn Question and Answer, so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.